Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is he made sure police recorded his crime. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
She can go in your house.
Are you done banging on my windows? Or are you done throwing
no
my
one's
shit away?
banging or doing shit.
Hey, man. Hey, I'm not
Talk to her.
Okay, I'll talk to her, but...
There you go. There you go.
Hey, man, I hear you.
No one's doing nothing. I'm telling her to go inside so we don't fight.
Yeah, I heard you when I was coming.
Like you don't come in and out like
We're gonna-
I'm not coming in the house. Lock me out.
I'm gonna talk to her, and then the senior officer is gonna talk to you.
He's not gonna talk to me. He can stand there.
Well, we need both to hear both sides of the story.
No story. I'm telling her to go in the house. Go over there and talk to her. Right.
ruined all my cigarette shit. No, I want him gone. I want him gone.
I ain't talking to nothing. Go away.
Well, that's not how it works.
Go away.
So
That's how it works.
don't barricade me or I'll put you in handcuffs.
I'll f***ing do it.
You're not going to tell me what to
do
do.
it.
You're not going to tell me what to do.
Hey, whoa.
Listen, I ain't doing shit.
Listen.
Go. Get the f*** out of
Don't
here.
have to. I
Hey,
just called
hey,
911. I don't have to get out.
Cool. Go get her inside. Don't
Listen.
touch me.
Hey, listen.
Don't touch me.
Hey, man, I'm not yelling at you. I'm trying
I
to
know
talk to you
that.
calmly.
Listen, get her gone. I'm not fighting.
Well,
Get the
what
f*** out of here.
Hey,
That's
we're
what we
not-
were called
hey,
for to
we're
find
Get
out
off
what's
my
going on.
property.
No.
Hey, man,
All right, cool.
you want to talk to me instead of...
No, I don't want to talk to nobody. She wants to talk. I literally am not in.
Hey, when I
She can go inside.
when I came here, I heard you saying that you just wanted space, right?
I'm out here. I got my space. Now,
Why did
please.
she call?
She can walk in the door.
I'm saying that. Why
Hey,
did
I was
she
trying
call?
to bring her inside.
Cool, bye. Cool,
But,
bye.
hey, dude.
Cool, bye.
Dude,
I'm not talking no more.
If you get closer to me, okay.
dude.
I didn't even fucking walk up. I didn't even walk up.
You get closer.
Are you
again,
fucking kidding
and
me?
start walking toward me
Hey,
and blowing
you got
smoke
your
at me.
son? You got your son?
Yeah, they're all
All right,
being
let's go.
recorded.
Let's go.
Don't walk toward me
Let's
like
go.
that in a threatening
Hey,
manner.
get the fuck off my
I
property.
was called here for
Get
a
the
reason.
fuck
No.
out of
No.
my house.
No.
do me a favor.
That's not how it
Get the
works.
fuck out of here.
No,
You're
not how
dumb.
it works.
Let's go. No. No, let him arrest me.
Whoa,
Don't
whoa.
touch me.
Hey,
Don't touch me.
listen.
Let's go. Arrest me. No.
Look, you're being...
You're my now.
Hey,
Get the
whoa,
fuck out of here.
All right, turn around.
No one touched you.
Not how
Get
it
the
works.
fuck
Not
out
gonna
of
blow
here.
smoke in
No,
my
but you're-
face
dude.
and keep stepping forward. You're not gonna do that.
You.
No, you're not.
You. That's my
not going to
right.
do it. No, you're
no
not.
one touched you. No one did shit. Stop touching.
Dude,
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Calm
Listen,
down.
this motherfucker don't know my right.
Don't approach in a threatening manner. It's gonna be on, my boy.
Adam.
What did I do to you? What did I do to you?
step in front of
What did
my
I do to you? I can step all the way up. I can step all the way up.
Adam, you're not.
Stop
listening.
touching me. Listen.
Adam.
Dude, I'm trying to talk to you calmly. Can we talk over here? Adam.
You're going to be
this
put in
is-
handcuffs.
I'm
Step
standing
back.
up. Do it. We're done. No,
Yeah, it's about to get
we're
lit.
done. He
Oh, yeah.
hit me.
Oh,
He
yeah.
hit me. Stop.
Oh, you think it's a game?
Stop.
Listen.
You
Yeah.
hit me.
Drop
bro.
down.
You
Drop
about to
down
get hit
now.
with that act
Drop
right.
down now.
About to get hit with that act right.
Drop
Gotta
down
drop
now.
down.
You hit me. Drop down now. You f***ing hit me? Are you f***ing kidding me?
Not gonna step forward to me.
I know my rights. I know my rights. You're
Dude, it didn't have to be this way.
Hey, listen,
Well, you got the right to take your ass down to the county. You hear me? Oh, hold up. Here we got Sarge. Oh, we got Sarge right here, boy. Yeah, you got the right to take your behind on down to the county. You hear me? Sober up a little bit. And he clearly ain't got no respect for women because he beefing with his old lady and all that, whatever. And the female officer, she's actually the calmest, you know what I mean? She was trying to get him, you know, and for the most part, you know, women kind of got that power over a man. You know what I'm saying? They could, you know what I'm saying? They could sweet talk a guy, you know, and guys might listen, you know what I'm saying? But he completely ignoring her. So he clearly ain't got no respect for no women. He ain't trying to hear nothing she got to say, nothing. He locked in his own zone. So you got the right to go down to the county. That's what you do.
know that.
Man, dude, hey.
He's fucked. I didn't do nothing to him.
I tried to-
Standing up and walking with somebody is nothing.
You're not going to step forward to me after I told you to step back. You're not stepping forward toward me.
Hey,
No.
hey, and I told you to get off my property.
That's not how it works. When we're called here on 911, we don't have to leave.
Listen, buddy.
Hey,
I told him to stop.
but dude,
Hey, walking up to somebody is
Blowing
nothing.
smoke in my face and acting like
Walking
that?
up
No.
to, what did I do? Oh, after you
Told you to step back.
Your cameras are on, right?
yeah.
Yep.
All right, good. Walking up to a police officer is nothing.
Back.
You're dumb.
Okay.
You have nothing.
Have a seat.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Have a seat.
You guys know this, right?
Adam.
I didn't walk up or touch him first.
Okay.
He
Adam.
pushed me.
Told you to step back. Gets
Can you guys be real?
in the
Dude,
vehicle.
I've been trying to talk to you calmly, but you're coming in hot.
I
and you're
didn't
not
fucking violate my
Get in the
rights.
vehicle, Adam.
I didn't violate my
Get in the
rights.
vehicle.
Dude,
Just go ahead and have a seat.
Get in the vehicle.
come on, man.
Oh my
Let's get
God,
this
really?
taken care of.
Listen, do you guys not want me to sue you? I didn't violate a right. I didn't touch him.
Take a seat.
You're pushing me in,
Yeah,
right?
because you're not listening. You're not listening.
I'm listening.
But you're
What did I do wrong?
Adam, we could talk about it at the police
Tell me what I
department.
did wrong. No.
Place right now.
No, tell me what I did wrong.
Step in the
Because
vehicle.
I can stand up and smoke in a person's face.
Dude, I need you to take a
You're
seat.
fucked.
I need
You're
you to take a seat.
What did I do wrong? No, stop. Tell me what I'm getting arrested for. Tell
Aggravated
me-
battery.
Aggravated battery to a police officer.
Because you hit me first?
Okay, I told you to
You-
step back when you kept stepping toward me in an aggressive
Motherfucker.
manner.
I didn't get in your
Get
face.
in the
I didn't
car.
push you. You're fucked. You guys really want to go for this?
Dude, you're not listening. Come on, man.
I am listening.
Okay, let
Are you
us finish-
serious?
Let us finish this, and then you.
Oh
you
my
talk.
fucking
You
God,
need
bro.
to chill though. Watch your tootsies.
I am super chill.
Watch your foot.
Hey,
I don't
bro.
Want, I don't want
Hey.
you to
Talk
get hurt.
about it at the police
I hope you're
department.
fucking ready.
Hey, listen. Watch.
You're my bitch now. What the fuck? Get off my property, remember that? What? Oh my God, that's like... Hey, listen, you know you're right? Where did I impeach my fucking rights? I didn't do nothing to him. He was in the wrong. You know that, right? I didn't do nothing. Oh my God, I can't wait. Hey, did you get all that on camera?
All of it's on camera, man.
All right, thank you. You guys are f***ed, you know that, right? I want his name and badge number right now.
That is Officer Smith,
Smith what? What's his badge number?
61.
Thank you. He put hands on me first. You got that on camera, right?
Everything's captured on camera, man.
I can't wait to sue the f*** out of you guys.
Hey, Adam, you're coming in hot, so
Oh,
am
no,
I
no,
gonna
no, listen.
am I gonna be able to walk you?
Hey, listen, you got me. Hey, listen, mama, you got me.
All right, dude, because I'm trying to be cool with you.
Hey, listen, he f***ed up. You know that, right? Oh, I can't wait to get my f***ing hands out of these cuffs. I swear to God, you guys are so f***ed.
Okay, see, I'm not gonna get you out of those cuffs if
I'm
you're,
good.
because you
good,
you
I'm
just
good.
said it. To get you out of those
Listen, I'm
cuffs,
good.
man.
He's fucked. He's fucked up. What did I do wrong? What did I get arrested for? For me defending myself when he put hands on me?
Adam, dude, hey,
I'm good.
are you sure you're good?
I'm good.
Do you need a moment?
No one's gonna hit a cop. I'm standing up. I defended myself when I needed to.
All right, good editing.
Bro, you know that, right?
It's all on video.
Whenever I ever did anything, who hit who first?
All right.
Who hit who first?
What
Who
you
hit who
said,
first?
Adam?
You know it, right? Can I pull my pants? Yeah. Thank you.
Got it?
My left wrist is bro.
Okay, we'll get them off when we get.
right here. All right.
Okay, we'll get them off when
You
we.
really know that, right? You know I'm not dumb, right?
We'll talk to you back here, okay?
I ain't gonna talk, bro. Y'all are.
Okay. All right, come on in, Brent.
Are you serious?
Okay.
Hey.
What's up?
What did I do wrong?
Okay. Why don't you come over?
I'm gonna ask you, what did I do wrong?
Okay.
Tell me what I did wrong. I defended myself because he had no right, correct? Don't squeeze my wrist, motherfucker.
I want to take these off.
All right, take them off. But listen,
I need you to turn a little bit.
all right, listen, you're squeezing my wrist, motherfucker. Someone tell me what I did wrong. I defended myself.
I need you to chill.
I need someone to answer a question. You guys aren't answering a question. I got cameras. I got me. I'm not gonna do
We're
anything.
trying to
Listen,
take off the cuffs. Hang on.
I know. Thank you. My left wrist was. Hey, can someone tell me what I did wrong?
Okay, just have a
Did I
seat.
not defend myself?
Listen, I'm not going to argue with you right now. Okay.
Did I not defend myself?
Okay, I need you to sit down.
I'm proud of you guys for doing whatever you're doing. I hope, how many cameras were ready
All the cameras
whole
are
time?
Yeah.
No, no, them cameras, I'm talking about these
our
ones.
body cams
Were
are
they
present.
all, that guy too?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Me, you didn't.
Take a seat for a second.
Thank you. Hey, tell me what I'm getting arrested for.
Hey, Adam.
Aggravated battery. Okay.
After him, I defended myself.
Okay.
Adam.
Adam.
No,
have
no,
a
no.
seat. Adam. Have
No,
a
no,
seat.
no. You guys are trying to get
Adam.
me for aggravated
Adam,
battery.
listen.
Okay.
This is
I
what-
defended myself.
Okay.
You
Okay,
asked,
that's fine.
You asked a
That's
question.
fine.
We answered your question. We need you to
Go
take
ahead and have a
for a
seat.
second.
Please, please, please. Stop having a broken hand, bro. Are you kidding me, though? You guys are you know that, right? I'm double locked. What the Are you guys serious? You guys are
This just hallway.
You're all
How many
After
times
officers
did
finish
he say that?
necessary paperwork at the police department, Adam is taken back to a squad car to be transported to jail.
You're a fucking pussy. You know fucking damn well you fucked up, right?
Adam.
Hey, you had your camera on, right?
Adam.
Hey, stop.
Let's
Listen,
go.
you had your camera on, right?
Let's keep-
My wrist don't work.
Okay.
My wrist don't work.
Adam.
Hey, what did I do? Did I defend myself? Why'd you fucking come after me? Hey, why'd you come after me? Hey, what did I do wrong? Smoke a cigarette in front of you?
Why is he not in cuffs? Is anybody else wondering that? They finished the paperwork and he's being transported to the jail? And he's not in cuffs. He's just walking freely and he's been, you know, he's pretty agitated. You know what I mean? It's not like he's been chill, you know?
Answer the question. What did I do wrong? I smoked a cigarette in front of you?
Have a seat.
I want to know what I did wrong.
Have a seat.
I smoked a cigarette in front of him?
Have a seat. Let's go.
You guys can't tell me nothing? I didn't strike him first. Hey, what'd I do? Smoke a cigarette in front of you?
Sit back.
Hey, what'd I do wrong? Hey, why did you fucking strike me? Why did you come after me? Because I was in front of you? I didn't fucking do nothing.
Adam was charged with violation of his bail bond and aggravated battery on a peace officer. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.